Astha Nature is located near Abhayapuri town in Bongaigaon District of Assam. Nestled amidst rolling hills and reserve forest, Astha provides a quiet gateway for the traveler. Easy access, splendid hospitality, and a penchant of cleanliness are the hallmark of Astha. There are several attractions in the vicinity of the property, and there is a bounty of offer to nature lovers. Astha also organizes activities like boating, angling, day trek, and also visit to Sakrosila Wildlife Sanctuary, the only sanctuary in the world exclusively hosts the endangered golden langur, and Manas National Park, where Astha's sister concern Birina Lodge is located. There is a range of accommodation like wooden cottage, luxury tents, and a sang bunglow to choose from. Guests can also avail the facility of a conference hall. Astha arranges a splendid visit to Nigomgola, a tribal village inhabited by the Garos. It is blessed with excellent scenic beauty and located just 16 km from Astha Nature, where one can experience and enjoy the taste of Garo tribal culture. Ethnic food, traditional folk dances, and music are part of the experience. Also, a unique experience for any nature lover would be an overnight stay in the tree house in this village, surrounded by lushy forest hills. One can feel the simplicity of the Garo tribe through an excellent village trail where cleanliness is most noteworthy. Gardens as takeaway, their down-to-earth treatment of the guests, and their heartwarming hospitality is sure to keep one coming back for more. Golden langur is an endemic species of old world monkeys which are found only in western Assam and the adjoining foothills of the Indo-Bhutan border. Kakoijana Reserve Forest, located about 15 km from Astha Resort, is host to this rare and endangered species. The villagers of Kakoijana, predominantly from the Rava community, are doing human service towards conservation of the species. The monkeys are a common sight in the village and the adjoining reserve forest. Astha organizes trips to Kakoijana where they can have a sure sighting of these species. Also organized is a cultural tour of the Rava community on demand. Astha Nature also organized to visit you to Koyakojia Eco Park. It is a wetland spanning about 140 hectares and hosts a variety of migratory birds. It also has provision for boat rides and picnics. Astha also organizes river cruises on the Brahmaputra. Guests are guaranteed an sure sighting of river dolphins. You can also visit from Astha Lalmati Duramari Ganesh Temple. One of the oldest temples in Assam is located in Abhayapuri near Astha Nature. The archaeological remains date back to the 10th century. You can also ride elephant and trail to the nearby village. You can also visit ancient banyan tree in the village near Abhayapuri town. You can also enjoy ancient rock-cut caves dating from the period of the Salastamba dynasty at Jogikupa, located about 20 km from Astha. How to get Astha Nature? Nearest railway station is New Bongaigaon, approximately 30 minutes drive from the railway station. And nearest airport is Lokopriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport, Guwahati. It is just 180 km by road from Guwahati. For more details, you can visit www.asthanaturestours.in. You can follow Facebook page Astha Nature. You can call for booking 99578 72766 or 6000 508 167, or you can mail asthaentity@gmail.com. If you are first time in my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Don't forget to hit the bell icon please.